In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a free video glitch effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. So you can have something that looks like this. Instead of this. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Step 1 is to locate the video clip or clips you would like to add the free glitch or transition. In this case, I have the same video clip, but it's split into 3 different segments. And the first step that we want to do is to go into effects and type in my preset, Windows TV glitch. You can import the preset by right-clicking preset and click import presets and locate on your computer or desktop. We have a list of different presets under glitch, the drop down arrow. But before we add it on, go to project, click the 4th option and click adjustment layer and click OK. You can drag this on your video clips that you would like to add the glitch effect. I'm going to the middle and then clicking shift left and it goes 5 frames. We can add a cut and then shift right, it adds 5 frames. And now we can drag our glitch effect onto the adjustment layer. So go under to effects, click the drop down glitch, and as you can see now, we have a glitch effect. You can do the same thing by going over to your other clip and shift right or shift left, 5 frames, add a cut, and you can hold down Alt and drag your adjustment layer. And now we have the same glitch effect. Another way to add the glitch effect is to go into your search engine and type in this onto the screen, AEJuice.com. And you want to go under to here and click free plugins. You can download the free plugins right here for Windows or for Mac. In this case, I already have it. So we're going to click down AEJuice, which is the standalone application. And basically this is going to load, or the starter pack. You have a different list of different options, analog glitch, VHS, and then you want to click download. And as you can see, it will pull up here in the folder, and all you would have to do is drag this on Adobe Premiere Pro CC. As you can see, we're dragging it above the adjustment layer, and then we'll add a cut. And then if we go into effects control, we can go under to blend mode, click the drop down arrow, and let's say screen. And as you can see, you can even change the opacity if you would like for less of the effect. We'll go with overlay. And then again, you can drag this by holding down Alt and to the right so it duplicates. And then last but not least, you can add a sound effect. So we're going to drag our sound effect right here. You can go on this website right here and download the free sound effects. And basically there's a whole list of different sound effects, but as you can see, you can download anything here that you want completely for free. Check the link down below to download the preset. Drop this video a like, comment down below, and share the video if you found value. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.